All right, guys, welcome back. Been gone for a little bit trying to get caught up on some stuff and get some dirt and get some videos built up. So, excuse me. So yeah, I think we're at that point. Got a little bit of gravel and stuff I gotta get spread around the place, and then I'm gonna get to work on the kid's engine, see if we can get it done. So get going on that. Here we go.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't
Now we'll just leave the music off for now. Welcome back to another day, guys. Still working on the kids' truck. We've got the engine in. We're working on putting a different set of pulleys on it from the 97 era. I don't know if you can see that very well. So you can have the serpentine belt system. I'm putting all these big brackets on and trying to get all that figured out. So anyway, everything's going good. Hopefully we'll have this thing fired up today. Got the transmission mounted to the engine, torque converters mounted. Still got to put passenger side exhaust together, the starter, and then run all the wiring and hoses, so just about there. Woohoo! All right, I think we've got pretty much everything together enough. We're gonna fire it. We want to see if it'll run. We don't have coolant in it yet. Coolant line's hooked up, but we're not gonna run it very long, so I just want to see how it's gonna sound real quick. So here we go.
Battery's dead.
The battery.
Battery's dead. That's why the fuel pump sounds dead too, because my volts are sitting here at like 8.5.
Let's see if this thing will work.
Probably because it has no volt there. That might be dead.
It might be dead too.
Should I try it? It goes up to 9.
Well, we tried to fire it and it wouldn't fire. Thought the battery was dead. But my retarded self forgot to hook up the ground wire to the frame, so did that. It works better now. Anyway, let's see what happens here. Come on. Stay right there. All right. Here goes nothing. Cool. Well, that's pretty awesome. Now we just gotta finish hooking up coolant lines and stuff and get a fan for it and do a little bit more timing on it. And I think she'll be ready to go. Gotta find an alternator. Don't have one of those. So yeah. Almost done with it. Cool. Let's keep going. Hey everybody, welcome back. We're working on Aiden's truck. And I think it's done. Still got to tighten the fan down just a little bit, but We put a serpentine belt system on it out of a 98 Chevy, I think. Went to the pick apart place in Twin Falls and got all the parts and pieces we needed. Got the wiring on the alternator kind of figured out for now. It's just kind of temporary, but other than that, sounds really good. You want to start it up real quick?
Took the starter button off.
You just took the starter button off. Okay, we'll start it in a second. Hold on. Okay, now we're ready to start it. Okay, go ahead. Sounds good. Okay, we're gonna finish up a few little things and go for a test drive. We're gonna take her for a test drive. Get on it, see if it'll shift. Checked it while it was running. It was good.
Probably just need to
It's alright, just want to listen to
add a little bit. Listen to how it sounds. I touched it.
temperature. Right, temperature's running good.
180.
So what do you think, buddy? You like it?
Oh yeah.
Your old man did good?
We did good too.
Yeah, we did good.
Did.
All right, guys, I think we got a successful test drive. It runs good. It didn't blow up. It's not backfiring like it used to, so I think we got a win finally.
we're going to finish buttoning this thing up and put it all the way back together, and he'll be able to drive it. So I'm pretty excited. You excited?
Oh yeah.
All right. All right, guys. That's it for this one. Thank you so much for watching. We're up to 77 subscribers. That is freaking awesome. Can't believe it. We're almost at our second goal of 100. So we keep cranking out videos and just keep on living life. So again, thank you from the bottoms of our hearts for like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.